to our wellness podcast. My name is Adetitu Afolabi, the boss lady for Wellness HMO. Today, I want make we talk about drug abuse. You know, when we hear drug abuse, the thing where they come to the average mind be say people where they take hard drugs. Some of us even dey this category. No be only people where they take cocaine, they abuse drugs. Some of us they do drug abuse. Life. I go tell us how some of us they do drug abuse, especially because every drug way we take, whether na doctor prescribe am or na we go collect the drug ourselves, na potential poison, because your internal organs go process drugs before the drug fit work. Number one, you dey do drug abuse if each time they recommend medication for you, you dey take overdosage. You know, some people, doctor say make dem take this pain medicine, one in the morning, one in the night. They go take 2 in the morning, 2 in the night, because they go tell themselves say this pain too much or this infection too big. You know, circumstances they make us do some things. That person wey dey do this thing, they do drug abuse, because the next time you get that pain, instead of you to go back to the dose wey the doctor give you, you are likely to take the overdosage wey your body don used to. Some of us they do drug abuse by doing underdosage. Doctor go say make you take drug for 10 days, you go take for 5 days, you go stop. You too they do drug abuse, because if you no complete the days wey doctor give you some medication, like for infection now, you no go allow those bacteria to clear for your body, and when you no allow all those bacteria comot for your body, wetin go happen be say the bacteria go come develop resistance. That's why sometimes the drug wey we dey use, every time then they bring out medicine wey dey higher than the other one, because the one wey dey mild no go fit work again, because you dey do underdosage. Sometimes they go tell some mothers say make you shake the bottle very well before you give your daughter the drug, so that the drug go mix very well, because the drug dey settle down, water go dey up top. Some of us no go shake very well, and you go say the drug no work. The drug get potential to work, now you no use am very well, now you dey do drug abuse. Some of us, when you dey cough or something dey wrong with you, your neighbor go come say, na the thing wey do me last time be that na this medicine they give me. Your neighbor no go even tell you the question wey they ask am before they prescribe that drug for am. Say you get ulcer, you get this, you get that, before they prescribe am. He go just say the thing wey they do, you just look at the thing wey he do in mama or do in daughter or do in husband, and that this drug they give me. As you take some of those drugs, you to go buy more, you go take am. Plenty times they don't rush people to hospital. When we ask them wetin happen, they go say na their neighbor give them drug. Your neighbor be doctor or your neighbor be pharmacist. So if your neighbor no be any of them, you no suppose take medication wey dem give one person and come say that medication you too you wan take. I don meet someone wey dey take drug for drug's sake. She say she just like to take drugs because sometimes some drugs dey give us some effect. You know, some effect wey dey make us calm. Some people dey abuse the drugs because of that effect. Na drug wey you suppose use to calm your nerves, you go come dey take am every day. Dey calm your nerves every day. Sometimes the drug is to make us sleep. You go come dey take the drug every day. Some people dey abuse drug because of the side effect. The side effect of a drug might make you grow fat. Some people go come dey take that drug so that they can grow fat. Those set of people too, they abuse drug. I wan talk about some drugs wey dey mild, wey we dey abuse wella. Take for instance paracetamol. One day I dey Okeare market, I come see one of those people wey dey carry load. You know, the people wey we dey call alabaru. That person dey chop paracetamol. I come ask am, why you dey chop paracetamol like that? Because the guy don chop like 4. He say they chop the paracetamol so that the paracetamol can prevent the pain wey he go through for the day's work. I come ask am, how many times you dey chew this paracetamol? Say this sachet now, he go chew am for that day, and na just 20 naira. As he take am, he go dey well. That one na drug abuse, because the liver go process this paracetamol, and the liver go dey affected in time. Some of us now, we just dey leak vitamin C anyhow. As coronavirus still even dey, we suppose boost our immunity. It's good to take vitamin C, but make sure say you dey take that vitamin C wey you dey take with plenty of water to avoid the impact on your kidney. If this podcast on drug abuse makes sense to you and you enjoy am, abeg make you forward to your friends and family And don't forget, say this podcast, they come from Wellness HMO, the health insurance company. Wey dey take care of your health needs. Abeg, make sure say you subscribe today. Thank you.